Hey there, Dragons. I'm Carrington.
And I'm Tegan. Today is November the 21st, and this is Dragon TV. First up today, we're going to talk about what we're thankful for.
Tegan, what are you thankful for?
My best friend, Kaylin. How about you?
I'm thankful for the people that give me the math answers. Let's see what these dragons had to say when we asked them.
What are you thankful for?
I am thankful for this little muñequito right here.
Thankful that it's senior year.
That's it?
I'm thankful for my family, and I'm thankful for how well the band did at state this year.
I'm thankful for all the teachers who have helped me in all the troubles which I have, and whenever I have to get frustrated, I'm just thankful for all the teachers who helped me through all of our times.
I am thankful for my son, Graham.
Yeah, look at that little
Cute baby.
alien.
I am thankful for all the great students at Redwater High School.
Alright, you can stop lying. What do you actually
I am serious.
What are you thankful for, Jackson?
I'm thankful for Minecraft.
What else?
I like watching TV a lot.
My family.
What are you thankful for?
I am thankful for all the wonderful students that I get to work with each and every day.
Why are you lying?
I'm not lying.
You are lying.
Thankful for my best friend Cassidy. She's right there.
I'm thankful for being a Muslim.
Ah,
I'm thankful for my family and friends and having a job that I really love.
Okay, that was good, but let's ask some of our youngest dragons what they're thankful for this year.
Sounds like a good idea. Let's see it.
I'm thankful for my friends,
For my mom.
my family, and the school. My dog. For my mama. God. Jesus. For helping me. Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for my mom. I'm thankful for my baby sister. My family. I love sharing my toys with my brother. I'm thankful for my sister's baby and everything else. My favorite holiday is Christmas. For my dog. For mommy. For my grandma. Thanks you for Valentine's time. My brother and my sister. I'm thankful for giving my teacher a donut. Your family. My dog. I'm thankful for freedom.
So, what kind of pie is best at Thanksgiving?
I don't like pie.
Oh.
But in case you do, here's a pie making tutorial.
Today, we'll be making a good old slice of Americana. Nothing says Thanksgiving or America like a slice of apple pie. Follow this guide, and you'll be a star. Step the first, make a pie crust. Be careful as you roll out your pie crust in the pan. You don't want to tear it. Step the second, make your apple pie filling. You'll need to cleanly cut up your apples. Only the freshest apples will do. Step the third, spread your filling in the crust evenly. You don't want any of that wonderful goodness seeping out. Whoa there, son. Be careful. That's a little too much stirring. Step the fourth. Add your spices to your filling. Make sure you measure carefully. A little dab will do ya. Step the fifth. Put on your top crust. Be careful here. It tears pretty easily. Step the sixth. Prepare your oven. Preheat it to 325 degrees. Step the seventh. Put your masterpiece in the oven. Step the eighth. Cook it for about 40 minutes until it's golden brown. Can't you just smell that beauty cooking? Step the 9th. Take your pie out of the oven. Careful, it's hot. Let it cool on a windowsill for an hour or 2. Step the 10th. Enjoy your work. Save me a slice.
Now it's time for Bobbert's Guide.
What's he doing this week?
Well, it's Thanksgiving, so I have no idea. Let's see it.
Hello, and welcome to Bobbert's Guide to Life. Today I'll be showing you how to cook a turkey.
Before you cook your turkey, you have to hunt one. So let's go find one.
Let's go get him.
I got him. Now we gotta skin him and cook him. The first thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 1 million. After you're done with that, you're ready to put it in the oven. It looks amazing.
I hope you enjoyed that episode. Tune in next time as I show you how to drive.
Finally, in the theme of Thanksgiving, let's give our thanks to the band.
They competed at state and represented Redwater well on a statewide stage.
Thanks, band. Here's a look back at that journey to state. I did this one.
I'm very excited and I can't wait to be in San Antonio performing in the Alamo Dome.
I feel so happy about going to state, and I'm really excited to be able to go to San Antonio and perform in the Alamo Dome because I know that this is something that me and a lot of the other seniors have worked really hard for the past 4 years and really like the entire time that we've been in band, and it's just such an amazing opportunity for us to be able to like live out basically one of our biggest dreams.
Now for a few announcements.
In basketball news, the Dragons are playing against Detroit at home tomorrow, Friday the 22nd. JV plays at 5 and varsity plays at 6.
The Lady Dragons will be playing a game on Tuesday, November the 26th. This is an away game at Clarksville at 2.
On Monday, all basketball teams will be playing at home against Avery. Boys JV will play at 2 and varsity will play at 4. Girls JV will play at 1 and varsity will play at 3. Next week is Thanksgiving, so go get some well-needed rest. School will be out next week and resume on December the 2nd.
We would like to talk a little bit about what we're thankful for.
We at DTV are thankful that you watch this show.
We know sometimes we can be silly and the camera angles can be bad as we bring you the news and the jokes might not land when we tell you a story.
In spite of that, you guys tune in and watch our show anyway.
We're thankful for you guys. That's all for this episode.
Thanks for watching.
Happy Thanksgiving.
It's a great day to be a dragon. I have to be really bad.
I should have thought about that before we came.
I think so.
I'm thankful for your friends.
What friends?
Same.
No, I'm just kidding. If you put this in the bloopers, my friends, don't get mad. I was just kidding.
Kaylin, it's okay. I hate you.
Nice try, Grayson.
I'll do it again.
Do it. Yep, you still suck.
First of today, we're going to talk about what we're thankful for.
Tegan, what are you thankful for?
Probably my best friend, Kaylin.
Who's your favorite student?
Probably Cooper Frazier. Definitely would say.
Okay. What about in the senior class?
Probably not Donovan Brown. Anybody but him.
Oh.
Thanksgiving trivia time. What is that thing under a turkey's neck?
Oh my gosh, they put what I said. Okay, go. Waddle. Waddle, waddle. Waddle.
With cheese?
A peach gobbler? No, just gobbler.
I don't like that. Turkeys need to rename their body parts.
To a gobbler.
Thanksgiving trivia time. What is that? Carrington, I heard you laugh.
Oh my god. What a jump. What a jump. What's your vertical? Yeah, what's your vertical? 50?
Stop scrolling. You're giving me asthma. I mean, anemia. I mean, what's the word when you have seizures?
No. Oh.
Epilepsy.
Epilepsy.
I said asthma.
Now for a few announcements.
In basketball news, the Dragons are playing against Detroit.
Don't watch him. Sorry.
Why do I feel like he was punching me when he was
Was
looking
he
at you?
punching me?
What are you thankful for?
Your mom. We would like to talk about that for a little bit, about what we're thankful for. That was not the right word.
That's not what that said.
We're going to talk about that for a little bit.
We that talk about, yes.
Thanksgiving trivia time. What's that thing under